Fifth sum of sum number 7. Ratio of the salary of skilled and unskilled workers is 5:3. So let us take daily salary of skilled worker has rupees X and that of unskilled workers as rupees 5. Now according to the first condition, they have given the ratio of the salary of skilled and unskilled, that is X upon Y is equal to 5 upon 3. Cross multiply. You will get 3x is equal to 5y. Bring the 5y on this side. 3x minus 5y is equal to 0. This is your first equation. Now according to the second condition, they have said the total salary of one day of both of them. So the total salary of both of them is how much? X plus y is equal to rupees 720. So this is your second equation. Let us multiply this by, not second equation, let us multiply this by 5 in order to make the coefficient of y same. So when you multiply by 5, you get 5x plus 5y is equal to 3600. This is your second equation. If you compare the first and the second equation, this is minus 5y, this is plus 5y. So add equation 1 and 2. When you add both the equation, what you get? 3x minus 5y is equal to 0 and 5x plus 5y is equal to 3600. When you add both the equation, 5x plus 3x is equal to how much? 8x is equal to 3600. Therefore, x is equal to what? 3600 upon 8. Therefore, x is equal to 450. So we have got the value of x. Now we will find out the value of y. Substitute x equal to 450 in equation x plus y is equal to 31. Not 31, 720. X plus y is equal to 720. So you will get x plus y is equal to 720. So 450 plus y is equal to 720. Therefore y is equal to how much? 720 minus 450. Therefore y is equal to 270. So we have got the value of x equal to 450 and y is equal to 270. Therefore, what is your answer? Daily wages, 1 day wage of skilled workers is rupees 450 and unskilled workers is rupees 270.